So on this bottom one, tangent of 2 theta equals negative log. What would I do to get rid of the tangent? Inverse tangent. Good. So 2 theta. Oops. Do it this way. Inverse tangent. Tangent of 2 theta. You got to do the same thing on both sides. Jose, what'd you get?
Negative 0.899.
Yep. So what quadrant is negative 0.899?
2, 4.
Yeah, it would be 4 because it's negative. So it's going this way. The reference angle is just 0.899, but yeah, because it's negative, it's going down. So that's in quadrant 4. So tangent is negative in quadrant 4. Where else is it negative?
2.
Yeah. Quadrant 2. So how am I going to find? Oh, either one. I guess I need to find the first one first. I need this positive angle. Totally forgot about that one. I need the angle that goes all the way around like that, the black angle. What's that one? Or how do I find it?
The black.
Yeah.
2 pi minus 0.899.
Yeah. So 2 pi minus 0.899. I got 5.384. If you want to go ahead and hit divide by 2, since it's already in the calculator, you get 2.692. Skipped around there. How do we find the green angle?
I minus the 0.899.
Yep. Pi minus that, because it's only half the circle, and then backed it up, 0.899. I got 2.243. You divide by 2. 1.121.
And all of this is going to be on the test too?
Yes, but all of it except for this dividing by 2 we've done before. But yes.
And then retake will be next Monday, Tuesday, you said?
Well, it'll be the next week. As long as you schedule it before, probably Wednesday will be the last day to schedule.
So, like, we don't have to go to school next week, right?
Monday to turn your math book.
That's it. So we're not gonna get any more work next week since we're not getting our math books.
Unless you want to do that Kahoot thing. We come in, we
No.
do some Kahoot.
I'm not doing any more work.
So we have to go the full day.
No.
Everyone's going to turn their math books.
Just sleeping. I didn't know.
It's only if you're on good standings. I mean, you are done.
Right.
But, so, like, after we take this test, whatever our grade is,
The only thing, I'll have homework that was due from, I can't remember when, that I'll grade this week. I'll probably grade it Wednesday, tomorrow, And then next week I'll also grade whatever homework was due that Monday. I'll grade that, and that'll be the last thing that could affect your grade, other than this test.
For the test, are we gonna have to memorize like the laws of sine, cosine, and tangent?
No.
So you're gonna have on the board.
I'm gonna either put them on the board or give you a sheet. I haven't decided which. I'll do something. Yeah, you'll have them. Okay. So for this problem, notice it don't, my goodness. Notice that it doesn't just have sine or just have cosine. That's what we usually have. It has both. But I want to see if I can rewrite it so that it only has one. What can I do to make this just have one trig function?
The square root.
Now that'll get rid of the 3, but it would make cosine squared and sine
Could
squared.
you divide cosine, and then it could be sine over cosine?
Yeah, and what is sine over cosine? Tangent. So tangent of theta equals the square root of 3. And if you have that trig chart done, look down the tangent column and find the square root of 3. We want this in radians. I over 3.
And 4 pi over 3.
That is right. Well, that's pretty straightforward and easy, especially if you have this little trig chart filled out. Please get it filled out if you don't. And don't forget to bring it Thursday. Mainly Friday. Friday's the calculator one. Yeah, usually.
So like, would we? Is this all we would have to do?
Yep.
For showing our work.
Yep. It's really easy. Okay, what about this one?
Change the secant to 1 over sine.
Yeah. All right, now what do I do? How do I get rid of this sign on the right-hand side?
Multiply it by sine.
The signs over here cancel. And you get 4 times the sine squared of theta. Then what?
Use
Divide by 4. How do you get rid of the square root? Or square? Oops. Square root. Don't forget to put plus or minus. And you just take the square root of 1, which is 1. And the square root of 4, which is 2.
So when you use identities and don't use identities, like the 1 plus or
Since I'm trying to find an actual answer here, I'm just going to keep going until I can figure out what angle theta is. Same thing over here. I was trying to find theta. If I was trying to prove an identity, then I would definitely have to use identities and leave it. Okay, so we look down the sine column and Find positive and negative 1/2. There's a bunch of them. There's really, should be 4, I think.
5 over 6.
Okay? Positive and negative 1/2.
5 pi over
5 pi over 6.
5. Or 6, sorry.
Yeah, that's all right.
7 pi over 6.
Mm-hmm.
And 11 pi over 6.
Yes. So much easier if you have the chart done. We just looked down the sign column and found all the positive and negative 1/2. I'm not worried about the rest of that. Yep. Yeah, do the rest of that. You don't have to do this homework. You might want to go through and just do a couple of them, make sure you know what you're doing, but you do not have to. It's really just 1 and 2 that are like the problems that we just did. You want to work on your other homework that you actually have to do. That is fine. Feel free. Good time to come ask me questions.